In this short video, we're going to talk about the German DAX, we're going to talk about the EURUSD and Bitcoin, which is looking super exciting. So German DAX, you've seen I've been talking about this for quite some time, and we have a double bottom here, and that was breached today. The index was down with about 2% at one point. So I did actually short on the break, so I'm pretty much at entry right now. And the break to this, or this pattern effectively, which is giving us a target of 14,000 roughly, will remain in play as long as you trade below today's high of 15,197. But the fact that we went back up to the breakup point is a bit worrying. And if we linger around this level and close here, we might have a short squeeze tomorrow. So I might actually close this out early, depending on how the day ends. EURUSD, I did 2 videos on this. I talked about the breakdown here, and I actually shorted on that, and then we did an update when we had that correction. The price is now traded below last week's low, so it's actually perfectly fine now to put the stop loss at entry as I did, because we have the protection of the October 4th high. Now, I'm pushing about to 114.18. And hopefully we can reach close to those levels before they're non-farm payrolls, because I'm probably going to scale out maybe 50 or 75% of the position as we start to reach these levels, just because I don't want to be part of the craziness of the NFPs. This is also super interesting, and effectively tells you to start to look at cryptos again. And this is Bitcoin, right? So this is a descending triangle. You got these major lows here, and this is a bearish pattern, but now we reach the other side of this pattern. So suddenly you have a potential push now to about $79,000 per coin if we would close the way we're doing right now. What we actually want to see is we want to see a close above the trend line, but I've been waiting here, and I wanted to see the break to this level here now. So I'm not going to go ahead and actually trade Bitcoin directly. I'm actually a proud holder of Shiba coin. I bought it on the breakout here, and since I bought it, the thing is up with 145%. I have been scaling out. I closed like a third, I think, on the second day, and then I closed another third, and tomorrow and this morning I closed half. So I don't have too much left. But what's interesting is that with Bitcoin now heading higher, you do want to dust off some of these but some of these crypto markets were showing interesting patterns, because as you know, when Bitcoin starts to trend higher, like everything, well, mostly everything starts to push higher. So you definitely want to check out some crypto charts to see if there's any interesting patterns there ready to be traded. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to follow.